3, 2, launch. We're spinning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some redneck science. Currently the 12 valve doesn't have intercooler piping hooked up on the turbo side, so it's seeing no boost. I found that out the hard way the other night when it was a complete dog. So today I thought I would do a little bit of a science experiment comparing the truck with no boost to the truck when it has boost. It just has a stock turbo on it right now, but it's got some pretty big injectors, 5x25. We're gonna see a lot of smoke rolling out of that exhaust tip with no boost, but I'm curious how much it will clean it up once we do hook that turbo back up. Well, the 12 valve's warming up. I'm gonna fire the 68 up and get it moved to the other side, because once I'm done with my science experiment, I'm gonna start digging into the truck, and having the lift would be very useful. So. Close those dumps up. It's a little loud. There she is. All right, the truck has been sitting here for quite a while now, so it's good and warmed up. We've got our runway here. It's not a science experiment unless you've got some results. So I've got a draggy inside of the truck. Not sure how well we're gonna be able to hook up on the snow, but I'll maybe move it over so that it's even comparison. This is a non-boost pass. Let's see what we do here. We're in drive. Buckle up for safety. Even though we're only really going 100 feet. 3, 2, launch. On our non-boosted runs, I've shifted the truck over a bit. I'm gonna bolt that intercooler piping up, and we're gonna do our boosted runs now. We are running out of daylight here in the Arctic, so I'm gonna try and do this as quick as I can. I like to film these at the end of the day, so I'm in a rush. Sun is setting. Got this nice handy light up here. Let's get these clamps on and do our second part of the test. And I have a funny feeling I'm not gonna have the proper size clamps for the other side, so we'll at least get this side on, and we're halfway there. Shoot. What can I do? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm a failure and don't have a fourth hose clamp for the intercooler piping, but I am gonna try this V-band clamp. It's a little bit smaller in diameter than these other intercooler clamps that I have, and all it really needs to do is keep that that rubber from coming over that bead there. So I'm gonna maybe try it right there. I'll switch that one over to the other side. I do have two for that side, and then we'll use that V-band on there. We're not giving up. Okay, we got it all back together. We got normal intercooler piping clamp, V-band, and then two more normal clamps. I think it's actually gonna hold. There might be a little bit of a boost leak just because of how that clamp clamps down. But yeah, we're gonna try it anyways. See what happens. Okay, intercooled run. If my phone doesn't die, if I'm not battling the truck, I'm battling other technology. So here we go. Alright, I think it was faster. That sounded pretty there. I don't know, I haven't looked at the footage yet, so we'll see what the results are. I've got a tail light I gotta fix. We persevered and we got that fourth clamp clamped with a V-band instead of an actual intercooler piping clamp. So I'm glad I at least got that on there temporarily so I could at least finish this video out. And yeah, let me know what you thought. Like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. If you liked the video, appreciate you watching another one, and we'll talk to you later. Peace. You can definitely hear the turbo a lot more too out the back. So it might be a little bit louder even. Talk about a tight squeeze in between this lift. Look at that. That taillight was just unplugged, so we're good there. Look at that. I'll have to look it up. Must be some special night. There we go. I'm trying to zoom in with one hand. So I have a feeling we're going to see a lot of smoke rolling out of the butt. Rolling out of the butt.